What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys here now the rugged case from the folks at Nomad. This is for iPhone 15 Pro. Really excited that I finally got my white titanium here. This is the wife's phone and we're still on hello. That's how new this is. With that said, this is the awesome ultra orange here that was so coveted. I was able to snag one of them. I also did one on the Atlantic blue, which is a brand new color, which is really exciting as well. With that said, this is not a sponsored video. The folks at Nomad did not send this to me, but I do have some affiliate links down below in the links in the description, and I do have a relationship with them, just not this time. With that said, let's go to unbox it, show you can lift up your lifestyle and how this awesome orange can protect your phone. I really love the ultra orange. This was like one of the coolest colors that they came out with last year for the 14 series. Now it's back here. And let me show you why. The reason why here is they really made it cool to have this power button here orange as well. Coming up close, as you can see here, it's made of high quality material here. You got this polycarbonate material and TPU to be able to provide you that maximum protection, up to 15 feet drop protection. You can see how it's cut and chamfered on the edges here to be able to help provide protection in the event of a fall. You got the extra care and attention here on the corners, as well as extra protrusion here on the corners and edges to be able to give you that protection. You can see the camera bump does have protection there. You have cutouts here, and it's really nice and ergonomic around the edges, so it gives you that protection. On the inside here, you've got a nice soft microfiber material here to be able to give you some insulation as well as the MagSafe utility on the inside. Close up here, as you can see, you've got these really cool grooves that provide extra pockets of air for insulation to give you that extra military drop grade protection. As you can see, I really like it goes all the way around, including the corners as well. With that said, they've got these metallic buttons here, the action button, as well as the volume rocker and the cool off-tone power button. On the outside here, you've got your I/O as well, punched out for your speaker grooves, as well as the USB Type-C, and then you even got a little slot here for a wrist strap if that's something you're interested in. Connecting it here, it's a shame to be able to lose that white titanium, but what I think is really awesome is the white on the orange. I think that is the best motif of them all. As you can see, it looks great in the hand. It is nice and compact. It's nice and portable and protective. It doesn't rock here because it's got these lips here. You've got the extra protection around the edges. And then what's nice here is you've got this bezel here that gives you about a 1/16 of an inch extra protection. It makes it a little bit wider here, but knowing my wife, this is gonna be something that will fall out of her hands multiple times throughout her usage. I really like how the action button is super clicky. On the Atlantic Blue, it wasn't clicky at all. So I think that was a flaw there in their manufacturing here, but all the other buttons here for the Pro were nice and fine and no problem. Press and hold, and you can see that the silent goes on and off, which is really cool. Last of all, you've got MagSafe compatibility here. You can go ahead and throw on this SnapGrip here from the folks at Small Rig. This is my go-to here for vlogging. You've got obviously the light that can flip up for selfie. You've got the selfie stick, and you do have a tripod, as well as you've got the SnapGrip here, which provides a MagSafe connection, as you can see, as well as a shutter button and this additional backside here. I really like it. It's nice and grippy. I'm going to be vlogging this weekend with the family, and having this in hand is perfect. Otherwise, if you wanted, you can use the Duo, which is something I like to use. You snap it on there. It's going to connect. You're getting that 7.5 watts charging. You can also add the rugged case here for your Apple Watch, which is what I already reviewed in the past. You can go ahead and connect it there as well. With that said, my pugnos, I think this is a no-brainer here. If you want to have the top of the line military drop grade, up to 15-foot protection, and a really versatile, really cool case, this is the one that you got to choose from Nomad. Nomad is one of my favorite companies to work with. This is not a sponsored video. Neither did they give this to me. I did purchase this with my own money. But down below, I'll have links to all these products here so you guys can check those out, and it does help out the channel. With that said, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one with Tech Influence. Thanks, guys. Bye.